Okay. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share with you a deeply personal journey of self discovery and growth that has been instrumental in shaping who I am today. It's a story of gratitude, resilience, and transformative power of community. It all started when Alorica introduced me to Bagosphere, a community I had never heard of before. At that time, I was juggling my studies, work commitments, and even a construction site job. So when the opportunity arose, I hesitated to dive in. Little did I know, this introduction would change the course of my life. My earlier days in Bagosphere were filled with uncertainty and doubt. I felt out of place and directionless, unsure of where to begin or what my goals were. It was a humbling experience, but one that laid the foundation for growth. Despite the challenges, I found solace in the supported community provided by Bagosphere. Their guidance and encouragement gave me the confidence to take the first step towards self improvement. Along the way, mentors like Sir Matt and Sir Alter become beacons of light, offering invaluable wisdom and support. As I immersed myself in the Bagosphere community, I began to see tangible improvement in my skills and mindset. Through feedback sessions and mentorship program, I learned to identify my strengths and weaknesses, and more importantly, how to leverage them for personal and professional growth. Today, I stand before you as a testament to a transformative power of community and mentorship. I am deeply grateful to Bagosphere, Sir Matt, Sir Arthur, and everyone who played a part in my journey. This unwavering support has not only helped me to discover my true potential, but also given me the courage to pursue my dreams. I encourage each of you to seek our communities and mentors who will support and uplift you in your own journey. Embrace the challenges, lean in discomfort, and never underestimate the power of the gratitude in transforming your life. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.